Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Prius horn. A non-working horn can be a significant safety concern, but often the fix is quite simple. We will walk through checking the most common culprits, like fuses and relays, which can often be resolved with just a few basic tools. Let's get your horn honking again in no time, ensuring your vehicle is safe on the road. First, let's check the horn fuse. Open your hood and locate the main fuse box, usually near the battery. Inside the lid, you will find a diagram showing each fuse's function. Find the horn fuse, often labeled horn or H/L horn, and carefully pull it out. If the metal wire inside is broken, it's blown. Replace it with a new fuse of the exact same amperage rating. Next, we will test the horn relay. This small cube-shaped component is also found in the fuse box. You can often test it by swapping it with another identical relay from a non-critical system, like the fog lights, if your vehicle has them. If the horn works after the swap, you know the original relay was faulty and needs to be replaced with a new one. This is a quick and easy diagnostic step. Finally, if the fuse and relay are good, it's time to inspect the horn unit itself. The horn is usually located behind the front bumper or grille. You might need to remove a few clips or screws to access it. Check the electrical connector to ensure it's firmly attached and free of corrosion. If everything looks good and the horn still doesn't work, the horn unit itself might be faulty and require replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.